Hello beautiful souls, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Rinku Bagla. I am a tarot card reader and a pranic healer. So today I will be talking about your mental health. So let's see what tarot cards say about your mental health in this month of June according to your zodiac sign. So let's talk about Aries first. So we have 8 of Swords for Aries. So it says that you have built so much of negative thoughts around you. So you are stuck in your situation. So you need to think positive and de-stress yourself. You can come out of the situation if you are willing to. So just be positive. The situation is not as bad as you are thinking. The situation is created by your own mind. So think positive, clear your mind, and you will be getting clear vision and the situation can be solved. So that's all for Aries. The next one is Taurus. For Taurus, we have 4 of Pentacles. It looks as if you don't have any freedom. You are overthinking about your finances. So you need to share out your finances issue with someone close to you. De-stress yourself. Try to go outside and spend money on yourself so that you will feel good. If you restrict and overthink about finances, it will restrict to attract abundance. So loosen up a bit and listen to your heart and enjoy the moment. So that's all for Taurus. The next is Gemini. For Gemini, we have Page of Wands. It says your mental health will be good. You will be overcharged, overconfidence, and full of energy and ready to take any task. This month you will feel good from inside. You are ready to face any challenges that comes in your way. But remember, confidence is good, but overconfidence is not. So that's all for Gemini. The next is Cancer. For Cancer, we have Justice card. So this month your mind will be peaceful, calm, and balanced. You will be able to take any decision with a clear mind and clear thoughts. You are ready to take action and you know how to take action and when to do. So listen to your heart and mind and go with the flow. Everything will be fine. So that's all for Cancer. Next is Leo. For Leo, we have Ace of Swords. So it says you will be able to cut all the negativity and cut all the negative thoughts from your mind. You will be able to see clearly what is best for you and trust your instincts. Blessings are with you. So just trust your mind and go with the flow. So that's all for Leo. Next is Virgo. For Virgo, we have Queen of Cups. It seems as if you are very sad and you are emotionally affected. That is affecting your mental health. And there are many mood swings. You are affected by other people's thoughts. Try to detach yourself and play with your children. Watch movies so that you will feel good from inside and be happy. That's all for Virgo. Next is Libra. For Libra, we have 7 of Swords. It says as if you are not calm, your mind is stirred and you are not ready to take responsibilities. You are walking away from responsibility. So try to be calm and focused. Don't detach yourself. Try to mingle with people and socialize. It will give you mental peace and focus and correct advice so that you can attain your work. So that was all for Libra. Next is Scorpio. So Scorpio, we have Page of Swords. So there will be a lot of confusion going on in your mind. Your mind will be unclear. There may be misunderstanding due to miscommunication. Try to settle things down, be calm, have patience, don't take impulsive decisions. So that was all for Scorpio. The next is Sagittarius. For Sagittarius, we have Wheel of Fortune. So this month you will be happy and your mind will be in very positive state, as the Wheel of Fortune is by your side and major changes are coming in your life, will give you happiness, joy, contentment, and you'll be able to take right decisions. So just trust yourself and be happy. So that is all for Sagittarius. Next is Capricorn. So for Capricorn, we have Two of Swords. So it says there will be a lot of confusion going on in your mind. You will not be able to take decision. So this is not the right time to take decision. Be calm, give some time, wait for some time, let the situation settle by itself. You will get more clarity. So try to meditate, calm yourself so that you can get peace of mind and clarity. So that was it for Capricorn. Next is Aquarius. For Aquarius, we have the Magician. So it says God blessings are with you. Your mind will be very active. You will feel good, happy. So just trust your mind and act accordingly so that you can manifest whatever you desire and things will go according to you. Just you need to take action and trust your mind. So that's all for Aquarius. So finally, last one is Pisces. So Pisces, we have Six of Wands. So it says your mind will be highly positive this month. You will get success. But remember, don't let ego and pride affect your mind. Be humble and be grateful for whatever you have received. Just enjoy your success with grace. So that's all for all the 12 zodiac signs. Don't worry if this reading does not resonate with you, as this was a general reading. To book a personalized session with me, hit me up on my Instagram and Facebook profile. Links will be mentioned below in the description. Do share this video with your loved ones and don't forget to subscribe and like my video and press the bell icon to get notified every time I upload a new video. Atma Namaste.